Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set volume up button to answer calls from Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to this call button and go to this three vertical dots and here select settings and here click on answering and ending calls. Click on answering and ending calls and here click on press volume up to answer calls. Just turn on this button. Now if you receive any call, just you can press this volume up button to answer the call. Okay, to attend the call, instead of attending with the soft key, just you can press this volume up key. Okay, see here, I am making a call from another phone and I receive a call. To answer this call, usually you will click on this call button. Okay, this screen color button. But if you now press volume up button, it will answer. See here, it is answered. Okay, so in this way you can easily do volume up button to answer this call. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.